उजो पालोवपी दळाची स्थापना जायत सावन फाटल्या 37 वर्सांत प्रशिक्षण आणि उपकरणां मेळपाचे प्रक्रियेत बदल जाला. अत्याधुनिक उपकरणांक लागून दळाच्या जवानांक लोकांचे जीव वाटावपाक मजत जाता. खात्याचे अधिकारी आणि जवान खंयचे आपत्कालीन परिस्थितीक तोंड दिवपाक तयार आसात. उजो पालोवपी दळाचो संचालक अशोक मेननान सांगले.
उजो पालोवपी दळांतले सेवेंतल्यान अशोक मेनन 31 ऑक्टोबराक निवृत्त जाता. 1985 वर्सा पालवी फायर ऑफिसर म्हणून रुजू जाल्या उपरांत 2010 वर्सा ताची उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या संचालक पदाचेर बडटी जाली. आपले कारकिर्दीतलो अणभव तांणी ह्या वेळार सांगलो. खात्यांत 1180 कर्मचारी वेगवेगळ्या पदांचेर काम करतात. अशें आसले तरी राज्यांत निवासी आनी हॉटेलांचो आंकडो वाडपाक लागिल्ल्यान खात्यावेलो कामाचो बोजाय वाडपाक लागला अशें ताचें म्हणणें.
The department has raised their bar and the team DFES, the firefighters, the officers of the team has kept the flag of the state flying high and the Goa Fire and Services flag and served the state with the cherished motto, we serve to save. During the 37 years of its existence, the department has grown from 1984 with a meager 200 staff. Today we have a staff strength of 1180 and we had initially we had 4 fire stations. Today we have 15 fire stations and 2 fire stations in Kunkolim and Porvorim, which is due to commence in the year 2021, before the end of the year 2021. So in all we will have 17 fire stations and we hope to have one more fire station in Darbandada, which is the new district in the state of Goa. The number of incidents in the state of Goa, if you see from 1984, I have the statistics with me for the last almost 37 years. We were only into fire incidents during those times, and every 10 years data we have. The number of fire incidents were 55,103. Number of emergency non-fire incidents were 60,627. So you can realize that how the incidents have increased every year in the state of Goa. And for last 2 years you must have noticed that we had these natural disasters. Talk about cyclone Tote, we talk about flooding, and prior to that also cloudburst in Kankona. So my team, the firefighters and the officers, have done wonderful work day and night in the state of Goa, and they have saved life and property as well. Yeah, that's I want to inform you, my friends in the Journalist Association, that I am superannuating on 29th, and my journey with the Fire and Services, which is the bread and butter for me, I have cherished every moment in my department, and I had a very wonderful team of firefighters and officers who have worked tirelessly in saving lives and property. I don't think I will have such team. No better team can be there without. We could not have done anything better without this team. Firefighting, saving life is a team effort. So hats off to all the firefighters who have rushed in every moment in saving life and property. 35 years, when you talk about 1984, the 10 years, there was no much of infrastructure, and even the fire service were not well equipped. We were equipped to that level of standard in the 1990s. Then we started getting the Finance Commission grants from the central government, and then our department, before our department was in the Union Territory for up to 87, and then when it became state, we used to get the funds from the 15th Finance Commission, and from the 15th Finance Commission and from the state budget, my predecessor and then myself has ensured that we upgrade the firefighting equipments, upgrade the firefighting capability of our firefighters by capacity building. We also ensured that our firefighters get ex gratia, and today government had approved 20 lakhs for every firefighter who has for disability, full disability and partial disability. Now talking about the growth infrastructure, you have seen for the last couple of years that Goa is growing tremendously in infrastructure, and also tourism has picked up, and there is an influx of tourists into the state of Goa. So we as a fire and emergency services have to be on our toes 24/7, because we do not know where there will be drowning cases, where there will be fire in the shacks, where there will be accident on the road, where we respond to remove, because we have the best of equipments, and also the fire in major areas. So it has grown, and our fire and emergency services has been ready and is ready and will be ready to combat any eventuality in the state of Goa.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्यामचारी.